behind me is a 40-foot container. I want to take a look. Before I go inside, we'll walk around a little bit on the outside. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 openings here, 3 windows, a door. These are actually the real container doors that are on here. And we've left them that you could close it up over top of that sliding glass door. Look, I love it that we left the stickers, the locks, everything is still on here. And these are probably my favorite builds. Well, I like the Incredibox, but you know what I like about it? It's so simple, but when you go inside, you're not gonna believe how beautiful it is. $75,000, it's on a trailer. And I know you just asked me how much it weighs, and I'm gonna have to get back with you on the weight. I know we can pull it with an F350, so look here, look at the size of this thing. You got triple axles. It's a full-blown home inside. You're gonna love what it looks like. Now, we didn't do anything to the outside. We're getting some really good containers now. COVID, you couldn't get them. Now they got an abundance of them, and they're brand new. We call them a one-trip container. They come across the ocean, one time, boom, we get them. So they're not beat up. They don't have holes in them. Look, somebody's in it. We just missed our opportunity to go inside. So, but what I like, you can transport it. So it's not like where it comes on a truck and slides off and it's permanently there. You all can just shore this thing up, put underpinning around it. You have a home if you ever want to leave it. Hook it to a trailer. Look here. You get ready to take this container out of here?
I was trying to slip in on you. How you doing? Hey,
good, man. How are you, buddy?
What's up, big guy?
You always come at the right time.
I know, and I planned that.
Mr. Marketing.
I try to keep up with your video schedule.
You tell them who you are.
Hey, man, I'm Dan. I'm Specialist Trailer Transport. Please look me up. We have very minimal wait time on these tiny home deliveries. I mean, I don't think we've had anybody wait no more than 2 weeks so far.
Wow.
We got
Specialty Trailer Transport.
We got 3 trucks, 3 drivers, and we try to keep them moving. We're picking up one right now going to Amarillo, Texas, and
you ain't been home 4 months, have you?
I'm going home this weekend.
Are you?
I'm finna get fatter on some turkey. It's turkey time. Turkey.
God.
Hey, I saw the video last night.
Yeah, what do you think?
I brought my pen. I'm ready to sign up. That's the deal.
Is that not something?
That's, you got, yeah. I'm
24-foot house.
Believe me, I heard it. I watched it twice. 37 minutes. I watched it.
Good. 37 minutes.
I hope I get drawn. If I get drawn.
You get Amanda.
Whoa!
Yeah.
No,
she didn't know that. I said, hey, we're going to sell them, and then we're going to have a drawing New Year's Eve, and whoever gets the pick, she's going with the house to visit them.
Oh, okay,
yeah,
okay.
Yep.
And the setup, and the skirting, and
yes.
Buddy, I caught it all.
And free delivery.
Yeah. Well, I might get a little credit from you for that. Maybe I can come get it in.
I'll have to pay you for the delivery.
We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
Yep.
All right. Hey, we got to go.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate
all right.
y'all.
Yep. See ya. Gosh, you never know who's going to be here. You know what?
Y'all let anybody in this.
Anybody, no gate. God. Hey, let's see if they're still in there. Yeah. It's hard to walk past this thing because we got the other house so close. This is our sales lot. And this has been, believe it or not, lately, this has been a big seller for us. So when you think about $75,000, okay, for the square footage in here, it is the best bang for your buck, they call it, right? So it's the most productive for your dollar. You get more square footage than any home on this lot. Thing is, it's a container. I love it that we offer so many different styles and models. It's not a home, it doesn't have a gable roof, but you get a massive lot of square footage in there. All right. You like it or not? What's the pros and cons?
We don't know you. We've never lived in this smaller.
Like when you walked in, what'd you think? Yeah.
Where do we put our clothes?
No closets.
The pros feels really
long.
Yeah.
You know, in the closet situation, we have 2 of these containers homes over there. And what they've done is I didn't put any closets because they can put armoires and double doors in the bathroom and kind of put them where you want, the bedroom, maybe some other places. But it's just, it's always, what do? Do you put closet and take up space or leave it open? So that's always my dilemma, you know, when I design them. So let's go on inside. Or you can just play the whole thing, right? Gosh. All right, everybody, this is a $75,000 40-foot container home. Oh, love this. All right, so I know I could just not say anything and you guys could walk through this and just turn the volume down. I just want to throw out a few things that this has got 2 mini splits. It's 84 inches wide, right? Because the container's 8 foot outside to outside. Now, something to learn about how we build these. So behind this wood are 2x3s, right? Behind the 2x3s is spray foam on the metal. So before we do anything in here, we'll cut all the windows and doors out. And then we come in here, we spray foam everything. Everything. We don't even want to leave a quarter size metal exposed because it will drip. So we spray foam everything, frame it, spray foam it again, and then we cover it with our wall covering. So this is completely finished. This is the windows trim is polyurethane, the ceiling's polyurethane, the walls are painted white. This is the way it comes for 75 grand. The ladies here beautifully decorated the house. There's a choice in flooring. I love this light colored pine looking flooring. It's probably even maybe an ash or aspen. So this is the living room area. It's about 12 foot long, 12 by 7. Enough for an entertainment center. If you put the sofa on this side, entertainment center where the clock is, that's the way most people have done them in the past. The big component to this is the kitchen. This is a big seller. The reason is because you got 2 countertops. You got your farm style sink. You got 3 cabinets on this side, 3 cabinets on this side, plus a cooktop, range hood, microwave stand. This is, I bet it sells majority of the homes is because of the kitchen. Here you have a full-size refrigerator that can fit in here, and we've got a pantry here. Now, if you wanted any custom upgrades, there are stand-up pantries that can match this. This is what we created. They're a little bit, you know, they cost, I don't know what they cost, probably almost $1,500 to $1,800 or something like that. But that you could have a pull-out pantry if that's something you'd like to do. You heard them talk about just now how, if we have this in the video, they talked about closets in here. There's a lack of closets. Let me show you kind of my idea. They don't have any power to this thing. There's no electricity. It's still lighting up? I got you. Okay, this is the bathroom. So when you come into the bathroom, you have a 36-inch shower, and underneath this is the water heater. There's nowhere else to put the water heater. You know, we don't want to put it in the kitchen. We don't want to waste a cabinet, so we put it here. You can actually have a closet here. You can see how tall it is. This is made for the stackable washer and dryer. Over here, you have your vanity sink in the corner. This is just your half moon sink. I've had several customers that had a custom cabinet made that didn't stick out into the hallway. You're looking at about 17, 18 inches deep. You can go to the ceilings. They're almost 8 foot tall ceilings in here because this is a 9.5 tall cube. But you can have a beautiful pantry, closet, anything in this area between the toilet and the sink. You come into the bedroom. There's a barn door, right, for the bathroom and the bedroom. They put a queen size bed. Now remember, it's only 84 inches wide. Now the closet, definitely one could go by the door there, or we could have one in front of this door here. You can't be very thick because you're looking at probably, this is only about 36 inches here. So you can't have too much. Now, some people, if you wanted to, you could turn this bed long ways and have your head in you would be 84. So your bed would go wall to wall, but it would be against that wall, and you'd have more room between that wall and your bed if you wanted to put an armoire closet where the door would slide behind, or a closet over here, okay? So there are room for closets and space. The other thing, if you flipped your bed around and it was against that wall and against these 2 outside walls, then you've got room for a pedestal bed. You can have storage underneath your bed. Again, up here, super tall. If you wanted any kind of storage above your head, I really don't like that. Makes me start feeling encroached. But this has a mini split back here. We have 2 mini splits in these containers now. That one there, and that one, that'll run you out of here. So, all right. So again, look how far, hey, Lissa, look how far this thing is. 40 feet long. This is a home 40 feet, $75,000 on a trailer, transport it. After we set it up, you don't like living where you're at, you just can hook it up, haul it. It's 8 foot wide. No wide load permits. This is the largest home that you can build and have no wide load permits, nothing. You can haul it out of here, all right? I think it's exciting. Like we were talking to the couple out here, if you're on the coast, worry about hurricanes, tornadoes, you anchor this sucker down. There's no siding, there's no maintenance on the outside. You don't have to worry about it. Maybe hose it down, knock the dirt off of it once a year, and that's it. All right, so, all right. Hope you enjoyed this. If we have the couple that was on here earlier, be able to hear their kind of pros and cons, what they're looking for. I kind of always interested in what the customers are thinking when they come in here. We got people coming in here right now. So, all right. Thank you very much for tuning in. Give us a thumbs up. Give us some comments. Subscribe. Click on that button. Okay, bye.